Action.
Hi, my name is Camilo Alvarez, and my AP Capstone research presentation is about the relationship between homework, locus of control, and academic achievement in math. So first of all, there's a problem in the field of mathematics education. Well, to begin with, math is a subject that, even as is stereotyped by the media on television shows, that kids seem to have lots of trouble with. And because kids seem to have lots of trouble with, for decades, teachers have been giving homework assignments as a way to help the kids understand the material better. Now, one problem is that student homework is very time consuming for students and for teachers as well. Students have, especially in high school, they have extracurricular activities such as sports, clubs, etc. And teachers have lives as well. So if there's something that's very time consuming, that takes hours out of everyone's time, then it's necessary to know if this is really an effective way of helping students learn. If it's not effective, then why have homework? And one reason that this will arouse my curiosity is because some kids in my pre-calculus class, they say that homework doesn't help them. And I think it helps me. So this has led me to wonder. This has led me to investigate the effectiveness of homework. So, previous research has been conducted. I divided it into 3 different categories, depending on the variables that they studied. So the first set of variables was the relationship between locus of control and academic achievement. Second category, homework achievement versus academic, homework completion and academic achievement. And the last category was locus of control and homework completion. The most important study out of this whole study that I did was Anderson et al. 2005. Basically, this study was the model for mine. I modeled the procedures. I tried to model my population after it because it's very similar to the topic which I was investigating. And since they were studying these variables, the findings that it got was that internality, or internal locus of control, leads to higher academic achievement. Now, what is locus of control? This is a very important recurring theme in my study. And locus of control is defined as individuals' beliefs about the responsibility they hold for the actions in their lives and the consequences for said actions. And locus of control is divided into 2 categories, internal locus and external locus. Now, to put it simply, internal locus you can associate with the characteristics you would expect from a good student, you would say. And some of these characteristics include motivation, self-efficacy, self-regulation. And external locus is basically opposite, kind of like the qualities you would expect from a bad student, like poor time management, lack of motivation, and yeah, that's the locus of control. Now this second set of studies, Cooper et al., especially one of the groundbreaking studies, one of the first in the field to find the relationship between homework and academic achievement, found that homework completion leads to increased academic achievement. So here we have locus of control versus academic achievement, homework and academic achievement, now locus of control and homework completion. Seo et al. 2009 and Kisantis et al. 2011 found the relationship between locus of control and homework completion to be positive with internality. So higher internality, or the more internal locus of control, the more homework that the students will complete, or the more likely they'll be to complete said homework. With these findings in mind, it has led me to the research question, how do different length homework assignments academically affect 10th and 11th grade Algebra 2 students based on their locus of control? Now, what I think is that internal locus of control students, since internality was associated with more homework completion, and homework completion was associated with higher academic achievement, I hypothesize that more internality will lead to more academic achievement with longer homework assignments, because longer homework means more practice, and since they're internal locus, so more than likely going to complete it, whether it's long or short. On the other hand, I expect that external locus of control students will benefit more from short assignments. This is because I feel that since they have an external locus, they're more likely to not be as willing to complete a long homework assignment as they would be willing to complete a short one. Therefore, they might just completely not even try on a long assignment, while they might try on a short assignment and still gain those benefits. Methods. So first of all, my sample. I had to pass out consent forms since most of the participants in the Algebra 2 classes that I visited were under the age of 18.